Now Jack was a sailor who roamed on the town, and she was a damsel who skipped up and down. Said the damsel to Jack as she passed him by, would you care for to purchase some Quare, Bungle, Roddy, Roddy? Fall the diddle die, Roddy, Roddy, Roddy. Thought Jack to himself now, what could this be but the finest of whiskey from far Germany, smuggled up in a basket and sold on the sly, and the name that it goes by is Quare, Bungle, Roddy. Fall the diddle die, Roddy, Roddy. Jack gave her £1 and he thought nothing strange. Says she, hold the basket while I go for your change. Jack looked in the basket and the baby did spy. Begorra, says Jack, this is Quare, Bungle, Roddy. Fall the diddle die, Roddy, Roddy. To get the child christened was Jack's first intent. To get the child christened, to the parson he went. Said the parson to Jack, what will he go by? Bedad now, says Jack, call him Quare, Bungle, Roddy. Fall the diddle die, Roddy, Roddy. Said the parson to Jack, well, that's a queer name. Said Jack to the parson, it's a queer way he came. Smuggled up in a basket and sold on the sly, and the name that he'll go by is Quare, Bungle, Roddy. Fall the diddle die, Roddy, Roddy. Now all you sailors who roam on the town, beware of those damsels who skip up and down. Take a look in their baskets as they pass you by, or else they might sell you some Quare, Bungle, Roddy. Fall the diddle die, Roddy, Roddy.